When it comes to your Tesla Model Y's maintenance, you might be overlooking the cabin air filters. Over time, your cabin air filters can become clogged with dirt, dust, pollen, and other pollutants, leading to poor in-cabin air quality and extra strain being put on your Tesla's air conditioning system. In this video, we'll show you how to replace your Tesla Model Y's cabin air filter with Ryco's direct replacement, RCA 484MK N99 Micro Shield cabin air filters. This includes a pair of carbon media pre-filters and a pair of N99 media main filters. Ryco N99 Micro Shield cabin air filters are made of N99 medical grade media and can stop viral and bacterial contaminants as well as other minuscule pollutants from making their way inside the vehicle by filtering out particles down to 0.3 micron. This means safe, clean air for you and your passengers. To fit the cabin air filters, start by opening the bonnet. Then, remove the underside apron like so and set it aside. From there, undo these 10 screws to remove the filter cover from the housing. You may need to pull back on the underbonnet storage unit to gain access to the bottom row of screws. With the filter cover out of the way, the old pre- and main filters can be removed. Give the housing a good clean, then fit the new Ryco N99 media main filters and carbon media pre-filters in that order. Be sure to fit each filter in the correct airflow direction as indicated. From there, refit the filter cover and underside apron in reverse order to complete the install. For more info on Ryco cabin air filters for your vehicle, visit www.rycofilters.com.au.